What's up, guys? Today's agenda, we are on the way to Rotor to pick up a car tonight for Randy from Illiminate. He has an R34, 4-door R34 in Japan. I'm picking it up for him. So renting a Rotor and loading it on. Since Japan has a multiple license, different license, they have for regular cars, and they have like medium, and like 2 or 3 like low premium, like they have bigger trucks. And my dad has all the license, and the US license only apply for regular car, so can't drive Rotor. So I had to pay my dad to go pick up Randy's car and dropping it off at one place tomorrow. These are the difference. 2.5, 5, 7.5, 8, 11, over 11. The regular, you can only drive mini trucks to small truck wagon, and it goes bigger and bigger. Just for the car, they have 2, 4, 6 different categories for license. My dad has a till the biggest one. He can drive bus to big trucks. Alright. We're gonna go get some food and gonna pick up the car and head back. What should we eat? Makes regular car look super small with this truck. We found Kokoichi. Hopefully they're open. They were both closed, so last option, Losum. Ikura. Changed my mind, grab this bread. And let's drink. Oh, they got Fanta Kiwi. Just speedy on the road. We're on the way to pick up the car. It's raining. We'll be able to get to see Randy's 34 soon. About 20 minutes. Hi. Here's the R34. Randy, hopefully you see this HR34s very soon. Let's see what you boys gonna do with it. Another 34? Randy, you're a hoarder. じゃあ乗せますか。Oh, cold AC. Super cool inside. Today I'm going to drop it off at the yard. So here's the car. You guys probably couldn't really see it at night last night. But here's the bone stock HR34. Alright, it's gonna be kind of long drive. We in the country now. Greens everywhere. So just dropped off Randy's 34. Thing is clean, huh? Just dropped off Randy's 34 safely, and we're just on the way back home now. Just show you guys this countryside scenery and freeway B-roll. Such a nice weather today though. It's been raining for like a week hard, and last night was raining too. But today, beautiful out, perfect temperature. This old Toyota Hiace is pimping. Chromed out window. Some white wall. Oh, I can't see it. It is. Nothing is gangster. Now we're back in city. We're gonna go meet up with this guy that owns property, and I've been looking for property for cars, to store cars and work on cars, since I have too many cars to take care of it at the house. Hopefully everything goes well and start working on this new property. If any of you guys want to buy cars, I'll be able to store it or work on it. Anything. City. And real quick. In Japan, you can go everywhere on train, because train goes even the countryside, city, everywhere you can possibly think. A lot of people don't even have a car because you can get to anywhere on train and bus. Convenient here to get around. Oh, it was such a good weather earlier. Now it's raining here. We're almost to the rental place, about to take this rotor back and go home. Today's mission's almost over.